Corner King Plunder Chess. How to play. The rules are the same as regular Plunder chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to capture one of your opponent's kings, then checkmate their remaining king. During setup, each player removes their 2 center pawns, then sets up their rear rank pieces from left to right as follows: king, queen, knight, space space, rook, bishop, king. Take note that the player's pieces do not mirror each other. While you have 2 kings on the board, there is no check or checkmate, treating kings like any other piece. When one of your kings is captured, the capturing piece may plunder the king vest if you want. Plundered king vests follow the same requirements as normal vests and grant the movement ability of the king. Kings are not allowed to castle, and you may not castle with a king vest move. Once one of your kings has been captured, then your remaining king must follow the normal check and checkmate rules. Pawns are still not allowed to promote to a king.